Hello, dear students. As we had discussed the questions of factorization based on the identity in the previous video, today we will discuss the questions on the basis of identity which is remaining one, right? In that one we have discussed the difference formula as well as a plus b plus c plus whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square equals plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Today we will do some questions from exercise 2.5 to understand the other identities. So let's start the exercise 2.5. In this exercise 2.5 I took the question number 4 because we have done up to question number 3. In this question number 4 it is given as 2x minus y plus z whole square and need to expand this one. So definitely we can understand okay, this 2x is the first term, y is this minus y is the second term, and this plus z is the third term. So we can write this one as 2x plus minus y plus z, and we will consider the 2x as the first term, minus y as the second term, and z as the third term. As we know, a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So taking 2x as the a and minus y as the b and z as the c. Now we will expand this one. So let's proceed for the next step. This will be 2x whole square using this identity plus minus y whole square the second term plus z square of the third term plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term and plus 2 into third term into first term, right? Now simplify this. Square of this 2x, that will be 4x square. Square of minus y, definitely square of minus sign, that should be plus, the plus into plus plus, and square of y is y square. Next z square, see this 2 2s are 4 and plus into minus, so it is minus 4 and x into y xy, right? Next plus 2 minus y into z, again minus into plus minus, and this is minus 2 y z. This one 2 2s are 4 and this is plus, so plus 4 zx. And this is the use of this identity, right? Again one more question is given in that question number 4, that is fourth part. Question is given in this format: 1 upon 4 a plus 1 upon 2 b plus 1. So we will take this 1 upon 4 as the first term, minus 1 upon 2 b as the second term, and 1 as the third term, and using the same identity we will expand this one, right? So as per the identity we will write 1 upon 4 a whole square minus 1 upon 2 b whole square plus 1 plus, this is not 1, plus 1 whole square, square of 1 is 1, that's why I told 1, and plus 2 into first term into second term, and then plus 2 second term into third term, and plus 2 into third term into first term, as I did in the previous question. And after calculation this will be 1 upon 4 4 is 16, this is 1 upon 16 a square, this is 1 upon 4 b square, square of 1 is 1, and after calculation this will be minus 1 upon 4 ab, and finally 2 cancel, this is minus b, and this is plus 1 upon a. This is the use of this identity which I told you in that previous video. Now we will do one question which is on the basis of reversing order of this identity. Means expanded form is given and you need to collect it and then factorize So this is the special kind of factorization. Questions given in this format, you need to identify what kind of the question is given. So as per the given question, I am getting 3 terms are there in such a way, those are having the square. So definitely we can use the identity a plus b plus c whole square, right? So we can write this one as minus root 2x whole square plus y square, and this is 2 root 2 z whole square, because 8 is the square of 2 root 2, because square of 2 is 4 and square of root 2 is 2 and 4 2 is 8. So I have written this 2 root 2 using the formula of identities, right? And again plus 2 into, this is first term as I have written there, into second term, again 2 into second into third term, and then plus 2 into third term into first term, right? Since this is the identity, as you all are well known, because we have done that question number 4 already, we have done some questions in that previous video. So using this identity we can write this entire thing as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. And now we can take the common in these 3 terms, because the first term is coming as negative. There is no mandatory, first term may be negative, but we are not in habit to write such things. So we can take the minus sign common, then this will be in this format, and square of the minus sign always be plus. So finally the answer will be root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z whole square. I would like to tell you one more thing, how I wrote. 2 equals to root 2 into under root 2. I have used this concept in the first term. That is why instead of 2 I wrote root 2. And to fulfill the condition of the question, I have used the minus sign, because if we are writing minus sign here and minus sign here, then overall after calculation this will be 2. Similarly, instead of 8, you could write it as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, and you may write this as 2 into, as I wrote there, 2 into root 2 into root 2, and then you can make the group. You may take this 2 and this root 2, so it is 2 root 2, and now this 2 and this root 2, 2 root 2. So overall it may be written as 2 root 2 whole square. How I have written this thing, I have shown that step, because this question has some concepts of sorts which already we have done in that chapter 1, right? So I have shown that one. Please practice such questions, and I hope you will get it done, right? So let's proceed for the next question. And the next question is based on the new identity. Identities are very simple, as I have given you the bunch of the identity. So if to solve this question number 6, 2 identities will be used as a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. If it is given in this form a minus b, instead of plus there is a minus sign, then this will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, right? So let's use this identity, not identity, since 2 are there, so it is identities, correct? See this question number 6 of exercise 2.5 NCERT. It is given as 2x plus 1 whole cube. We can treat the 2x as the first term as a and 1 is the second term as b. Using the identity a plus b whole cube, we will write down 2x whole cube plus 1 whole cube plus 3 as per the identities. 3 into first term 2x, second term 1, and in the bracket first term plus second term, and cube of this 2x, cube of 2 is 8, cube of x is x cube, and cube of 1 is 1. Now 3 2 is 6x, and this is 2x plus 1. This is the complete solution of this question. To understand this, is it any doubt? I think there should not be doubt, because I have written the identity in front of the question, and this will be helpful to understand it, right? Okay, let's proceed for the next part, that is fourth one, x minus 2 upon 3y whole cube. If you like to solve this one, definitely you should search the identity which is appropriate to solve this one, and I hope after getting this identity a minus b whole cube, you can compare this one and it is similar to the question. So we will take this identity a minus b whole cube, that is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. So instead of a there should be x, and instead of b there should be 2 upon 3y, and it is whole cube, so that is equals to cube of the first term, that is x cube, minus cube of the second term 2 upon 3y whole cube, minus 3 into first term x, second term 2 upon 3y, in bracket x minus 2 upon 3y, means first term minus second term. Here 3 cancelled, and after calculation this will be finally x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus 2xy, and this is x minus 2 upon 3y. And this is the use of identities, these two identities, right? Some applications are also given. I can show that application. Definitely you may understand this thing, because question is there, given there. Find the value of 102 using identity. So we can break down this 102 in two parts as 100 plus 2 whole cube, and we will take the 100 as the first term, that is a, and 2 as the b, and using this identity we will compute it by putting the value of a and b as it has been shown in all that steps. It is very simple because terms are numeric, and after calculation finally you will get the answer in this format. Such questions are known as the use of identity, or you may say application of identity, right? Thank you very much, students, to showing such patiently you have seen this thing, and I hope you are getting this one, and definitely I will send you the next BSD video on the next working day, and that will contain the questions of exercise 2.5 which is remaining, and we'll discuss that question in a very proper manner. And any queries are there, then you can WhatsApp to me, other as you like, you can ask anytime. Don't hesitate, feel free to ask me, okay, by sending mail or by sending WhatsApp. Thank you very much.